हेलो बच्चों, चलो सीखते हैं A for apple and B for ball, C for cat and कुछ नंबर्स। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। In, in, E for apple, B, B, B for ball, C, C, C for cat, D, D, D for dog, E, E, E for elephant, F, F, F for fish, G, G, G for grapes, one, two, two, three, four, five, six, six, seven, seven, O, O for octopus, O for octopus, P, P for penguin, P for penguin, Q, Q for queen, Q for queen, R, R for rabbit, R for rabbit, S, S for sun, S for sun, T, T for tiger, T for tiger, U, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, H, eight, nine, nine, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14. Thank you kids, thank you for watching.